Have you ever wondered what a black hole sounds like? Scientists have recently converted the signals from a black hole into a sound wave, and the result is both fascinating and eerie. Using data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, astronomers captured the pressure waves sent out by the black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster. These waves cause ripples in the cluster's hot gas, which can be translated into a note, a sound. A sound we can actually hear. The original sound waves are inaudible to human ears because they're too low. But when scientists scaled them up by 57 octaves, they became something we could hear.